There is a question as to what was the score behind not accrediting Ladlad as a party this year.
Well, it would seem from the decision itself that the main reason really is a question of immorality. The commission, unfortunately, felt that it was immoral for an organization to advocate a certain lifestyle, or a certain orientation. I really don't know what the proper term is, but essentially, okay, just to cut to the crap, gayness apparently has been created with immorality, and naturally under Philippine law you cannot have an organization accredited that is subscribing to or supportive of acts which are inimical to public interest. Ibig sabihin, yung mga activities or kilos or galaw na makakasama sa bayan. So yun yung broad na explanation doon. Yung broad na definition kasi nun would include acts that are illegal, that are violent, that are immoral. Okay? So pasok yun din sa ganung bagay. I guess what's rather disturbing, and I'm probably going to get in trouble for saying this, but it's the language that's actually rather disturbing for me personally, and which is why I understand why Mr. Remoto, Professor Remoto, feels very strongly about it, and as a result, I said very early when this decision first came out that of course I would totally support him seeking a reconsideration of the decision, and that I think that he has every right to go to the Supreme Court for redress of his grievance. If he feels offended by it, then I think by all means we should get redress for that grievance. Again, two steps. First, maybe he can ask for a reconsideration of the decision, and second, if he feels that it's necessary, to go to the Supreme Court for that for satisfaction.
What do you mean by language is disturbing?
The language was disturbing to me because
the gay language in general, or the
no, the language of the decision. The language of the decision.
Okay.
There was one part of the decision that quoted an American writer as saying that older practicing homosexuals are very dangerous to the youth of the country. I mean, personally, that does not agree with my view. So I find it disturbing that language like that would be used. But again, it is an official utterance of the Comelec, and then the best way for it to be taken back is through a motion for reconsideration. And I hope that they do file a motion for reconsideration, and I hope that it prospers. In 2007, I've always said that I think that the LGBT community as a whole are underrepresented, and to a very large extent they are marginalized. So I think they should be accredited.
But they think there are some people in Section 2, the one who decided that.
Second division.
The division is, they're part of some church groups.
Well, we have Commissioner Yusuf. I mean, he's a Muslim, so you might see where that's coming from. And then of course some of our commissioners are Catholics. So I suppose you would see that sort of reaction. It's just that, of course, that's the reason why a motion for reconsideration would be I think the best way to do it, because this would take it out of the second division, and allow the full ANBAN to get their minds on this thing, and to see what the best thing to do is. Right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.